Greetings, everyone! Are you in search of the perfect curtains to adorn your space? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Fixing Expert, the premier curtain shop in Dubai. Whether reimagining an existing space or setting up a new one, the right curtains can truly transform the ambience. But why is it so important to choose a reputable curtain shop? And what makes us stand out among the rest? Stay with us to learn more about what we offer and how we can help make your space look fantastic. When decorating your space, curtains play a huge role. They're not just fabric hanging on your windows, they can set the mood and feel of a room. But why go to a well-known curtain shop? Here are the main reasons. Quality: good shops offer durable and long-lasting curtains. Choices: they have a wide variety, so you can find the perfect match. Expertise: trusted shops can give you advice on what works best for your space. Value: you get good value for your money without any surprises. Peace of mind: you know you're making a safe choice with no regrets. We're not just any shop, we're your top choice because we care about quality, style, and making you happy. Get ready to find curtains that'll transform your place. Let's see why we're the best when it comes to giving your windows a fantastic makeover. Expert staff: our skilled team understands your needs. With vast knowledge and experience, we guarantee you'll receive the best advice and recommendations. Wide collection: we boast a diverse range of designs. Whether contemporary or classic, minimalistic or bold, we have the perfect curtain choice. Quality materials: at Fixing Expert, quality is paramount. Every curtain is crafted using superior materials, ensuring they look great and last longer. We cover every corner of Dubai with our services. Wherever you are in this amazing city, we're there for you. We're glad to be available all over and ensure your Dubai experience is fantastic. Have a look at the areas where we are available to offer our curtain services in Dubai. Downtown, Palm Jumeirah, Business Bay, Barsh, JLT, Emirates Hills, Media City, Al Furjan, Arabian Ranches, Dubai Hills, MBR City, Maidan, Nad Al Sheba, Al Jadaf, World Trade Center, Satwa, T-Com, Al Quaz, Internet City, Dubai Land. Starting a home makeover might seem tough and puzzling for many. But guess what? With Fixing Expert, everything becomes straightforward and exciting. We have a clear, step-by-step method to transform your space into something beautiful. If you're thinking about teaming up with us, here's the scoop on how we do things. Site visit: at Fixing Expert, we believe in a personalized touch. Our team will visit your premises, allowing us to get a first-hand look and ensure the best curtain solutions are tailored to your space. Free consultations: our experts are at your service, offering invaluable advice and insights. Free quote: after our consultation, we present a detailed, no-obligation quote, highlighting every aspect of the cost. With us, there are no hidden fees or surprises. Accurate measurements: our professionals meticulously measure every window and space, ensuring your chosen curtains fit perfectly. No gaps, no overlaps, just precision. Efficient installation: our skilled technicians handle this with finesse, ensuring the curtains drape flawlessly and elevate your room's ambience to its full potential. Are you thinking about making your room look cool with new curtains? Come visit our shop in Al Quoz. We have lots of awesome designs for you to see. Our friendly team is here to help you pick the best one. Our shop is big with tons of choices. So if you want your space to look fantastic, we're the place to go. Let's find the perfect curtain for you. Thanks for joining us on this curtain adventure. Remember, whenever you think of giving your space a fresh look with curtains, Fixing Expert is here for you. We have the designs, the team, and the heart to make your space shine. Can't wait to see you at our curtain shop and help turn your curtain dreams into reality.